sariwang hangin ay pawala na rin. Ano-ano ba ang ating dapat gawin? Bakit hindi ba natin bigyan ng pansin? Dahil ng kalikasan ay inyong tingin, pinakasap ng kabataan at isipin. Lay, 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 lale. Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, la sa dilim. Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, lay, lale. Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, la sa dilim. Maraming may ugaling magkalat ng sigarilyo, jumingil sa kalsada, walang makina parang aso. Mahilig na pagkain kung saan-saan ang tapon. Daanan ng tubig ay may kalawang at barado. Kaya mong magtaka kung di kulang mayroong baha. Kaya mong mag-isip kung ang syudad ay bigdaga. Kung pagbabago tayo, sama-samang magsimula. At pagdating ng panahon tayo, hindi mo kawawa. Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, lay, lale. Hey! Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, la sa dilim. Ilay, lay, lay, ilay, lay, lay, lale. sa limot at bahala. Namulat ka na sa mali. Sinundan pa ng kulog at hilan sa biglang buhos na iyo sa akin ang pinapakanta. Di pinapag-ibig, parang hilan. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Di pinapag-ibig, parang hilan. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Mga halik, mga lambing, inuulan mo sa akin. Nabagyo, binabahan ako ng iyong mga karinyo. Nananaginip ba ako ng isip, ay tinamaan ng magaling. Nadali mo ang puso ko ng iyong kailangan. Di na mag-ibig, parang kailangan. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Di na mag-ibig, parang kailangan. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Mga halik, mga lambing, inuulan mo sa akin. Binabagyo, binabahan ako ng iyong mga karinyo. Nananaginip ba ako ng gising, ay tinamaan ng magaling. Nadali mo ang puso ko ng iyong biglaan. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang kailangan. Puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang kailangan. Ay, 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 puso kong tahimik na naghihintay, bigla mo kinulan. Lintik, lintik, oh, oh, parang kailangan. Lintik, 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 oh, oh, parang kailangan.
Okay, ayan. Magsipalakpakan naman. Okay, at andito tayo para i-celebrate yung kanilang Thanksgiving
Ay.
party. At palagay ko parang house blessing na rin, ano?
At saka graduation party.
Okay.
Ayan, sino ba yung ano?
Si
Jaren and Gian. Ayan.
Asan ba
Andito
sila?
po ba sila? Ayun.
Ah,
Yung naka-Hawaiiano.
okay. At pwede nating pasayawin.
Yes. Ayan, baka
Okay.
may gusto kang sayawin,
Hindi.
Jaren. Ayan, baka danaregregyo lang apong tulbek. Siguro lugan detoy. Suzuki ko na naman. Ayan, baka dati natintinag yung tulbek apo. Suzuki. Ayan, pakialalatan apo ito'y dato'y management.
Ayan, at syempre, i-welcome ulit natin si Jay and Jaren Garan. Ayan. Sila yung nag-graduate. And, of course, to Ma'am Mary Jane and Rainy Garan. Ayan. Yung kanilang, is it their parents or grandparents?
Grandparents.
Grandparents. Parents. Oh, okay. Sige. At pwede natin, pasayawin.
Yes. Ayan at syempre, kain lang po tayo ng kain dahil mamaya po magsasayawan po tayong lahat. Ayan, pila lang po.
At pwede nating pasayawin yung parents ni Jaren at saka si
Gian.
Gian.
Yes.
Okay. Agpalakpak tayo man, Apo.
Yeah.
Malay natin maraming ibibigay na blessings.
Yes.
Blessings.
Anong family ito ulit, Inay?
Garan.
Garan.
Yan. Tsaka promotion
Garan.
din ata yung
Garan.
celebrate nila.
Family.
family.
Yes. Okay.
Magsipalakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Ayan, thank you so much.
Yes, medley songs from the freestyle. There I was, empty piece of the shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Till you came, brought me out of the shell. You give the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being.
you. What I just not in love can explain. It all happened so fast. What exactly what I'm feeling right now? If this love I got to know somehow, just so long this madness will last. 'Cause I think I'm in love. Oh, I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I want to spend them all with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. So tell me that you care. Tell me please. Tell me what you feel. The way that I do. Reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm calling your existence. Let it all began when I met you. Reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm calling your existence. And it all began when I met you. 'Cause I think I'm in love. Okay, and that was a song from the freestyle.
Ayan na, palakpakan naman tayong lahat dyan.
Medyo kumakain pa sila and
Enjoy the food. Oo, habang sana hindi matuloy yung
sa mga
ulan.
bagong dating, ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, okay. Good evening po and most especially to Garan family. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite niyo po sa amin at parte kami ngayon sa inyong okasyon.
Yes. At syempre,
Okay.
congratulations again to Jaren and Gian.
Okay. At sabihan nyo lang po kami kung ano yung mga gusto nyong tugtugin namin o kayo may
Yes.
mga request po kayong kanta. Ayan.
Huwag po kayong mahiyang magsabi.
Isulat nyo lang po sa malinis na papel.
O kaya naman,
Paano
may
kaya kung hindi
kulay
paano
na papel.
kaya kung hindi siya malinis? Ano
Pwedeng
yun?
may kulay na lang.
Selos.
Selos!
Eh, so,
Agad-agad.
kumakain pa po tayo.
Ang
Baka
rule po
wala
kasi
pang
pag kinanta yung
sumayaw.
selos, dapat sasayaw.
Yes.
Yan, kasi
Agad-agad?
danceable
Kasi-
yung kanta na yun.
Selos.
Baka sumakit yung tiyan ng mga kumakain kapag sasayaw agad, di ba?
Makinig
Ayan.
muna.
Sa awa ng Diyos, safe pa naman tayo. Ano?
Oo.
Kahit kakakain lang, gumagalaw na.
Agpalpada pelang apo sa danto, yugyug ang damdamang.
Okay, sige. Sabi ni ma'am, go sa selos.
Okay.
Yes, and here's a special request.
And sumayaw na lang po kayo dyan sa mga upuan nyo muna.
Pasway-sway lang.
ko. Pwede ba, pwede ba, pwede ba? Miss, pwede ba sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang malaman ang pangalan mo. Huwag mong ipagdamit ang kagustuhan mo na makilala ka at makasama ka. Oh, Miss, pwede ba sumayaw tayo? Gusto ko lang naman mapalapit sa'yo. Nang maramdaman ko, tinig ng puso ko. Pwede ba, pwede ba, pwede ba?
Alright, ayan. At palagay ko mayroon tayong paraffol ngayong gabi. Okay, sino kayo yung maswerteng manalo dito sa Baka may pa-jackpot pa sila. Di ba? Baka, ayan. Siyempre, balita ko, galante yung mga Garan family. Garan family. Ayan, magsipalakpakan naman tayo dyan. Tapos na bang
Ang lahat kumain.
Okay.
Ay, may mga ayun, nakita ko si Sir kumakain pala.
Sinong sir?
Dito po
okay.
sa harap natin.
Kala ko may kakilala ka dito. Okay. Okay, at sa mga nagko-comment dyan, kasi hindi na nila alam yung mga pangalan natin, ayan. Pwede i-introduce natin yung pangalan namin. Kami,
Okay.
vocalist. Ayan.
Dito sa...
Ako po si Riza. Okay.
Ako po si Glessy.
Yes, and I'm Rachel po.
Ako po si Tintin. Ayan, at ako rin po si Kate. Ayan. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, hindi po ako makakasayaw. Ayan.
Yes, and I'm Brent. And hello po. Ayan.
Yes, and I am Ems. Hello
Ay, si-
po.
Yes. Yes,
Dito ka sa harap, magpakita ka naman.
Oo nga.
Huwag dyan sa likod.
Para kayong batang nagtatago ah.
Parang inaano mo na yung sa 2025, parang gusto mong tumakbo.
Tumalon.
Ilan kaya
Sa New Year?
Ilang kilometro yung tatakbuhin niya?
Ayan, dito naman tayo sa rhythm section natin.
Oo, sa rhythm section natin. Umpisahan natin sa blowings yung mga turotot natin. Okay.
Okay.
Ayan, malapit na ang
Ito sa trumpet tayo. Si
trumpeter.
Si Idol Abet.
Roosevelt.
Roosevelt naman.
Ay, Roosevelt.
Saxophonist natin. Uy, magpakita ka naman talagang busy-busy sa
Busy,
Alam mo,
nag-take out. Charot.
pag tumutugtog na wala nang cellphone
Yan,
dyan.
si Kuya Romel.
Napaka-busy. Sino kaya yung chinachatan?
Sino
Palagi. Eh,
Ay, may pa secret.
Ayan.
yung mata niya, nako, hindi na...
Ayan, at yung
Muntik-
ating bass guitarist.
Ang bass, ayan, si
Ating yun,
GL.
busog-lusog.
Diba? Di hantang busog pala. Ayan, at
At yung pinaka-cute na pinakabatang kasama natin, ayan,
lead guitar.
Ayan.
si RJ.
RJ.
At yung keyboardist natin na napaka-pogi.
Ay, pero usog.
Secret lang yun eh. Ayan, si Jay.
At eto, syempre,
Oh, ikaw na ate.
siya yung pinakagwapo sa lahat-lahat. Para
Naman.
sa akin.
Oo.
Ayan.
Sir Bobby.
Sir Bobby.
Ayan. At siguro, hindi. Sabi, parang may nabasa ako noon, buti pa daw yung Bini, alam nila yung mga pangalan nila. Pero tayo, hindi daw nila alam kasi hindi natin sinasabi yung pangalan namin. Uy, sinasabi naman namin yung pangalan namin.
Next time ko gagawa po kami ng name tag.
Siyempre yung Bini po, sikat po sila.
Sikat po yung mga Bini.
Kami,
Local lang.
Local.
Local band.
Oo, kayo naman.
Ayan nyo, gagawa po ako ng may
Name
pangalan
tag.
dito. Ganito
Name
kalaki.
tag.
Name tag.
Name
Parang
tag nga.
pag
Dog tag.
pasukan, di ba?
Yes.
Yung
Papa-question
kailangan
si
ng name
ma'am.
tag para
Name tag.
makakilala kayo ng mga
Oo.
bagong
Or
mga
ano na lang,
classmate.
nameplate na lang para mas maliit.
I-zoom na lang nila.
Alright, and habang kumakain pa yung iba, nagbibigay muna kami ng mga iba't ibang klase ng musika para sa inyo. At sana po pagkatapos kumain, wala pong uwian dahil malaki po ang premyo na ibibigay ng Garan Family para sa atin. Ayan, mapapawaw po kayo. Ayan.
Balita namin,
Oh, balita.
yung
Ano?
yung grand
Grand
prize.
prize.
Ayan.
Oo.
Tong house and lot. Charot.
Hindi, joke lang.
Ayan.
Okay.
And here's another song.
Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. There's a rise that I could need you like I do. Please believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me, I can't stop loving you. The one thing I'm sure of is the way we make love. The one thing I depend on is for us to stay strong. With every word and every breath I'm praying. That's why I'm saying, tell me honestly if you're still loving me. Looking into my eyes, honestly, won't tell me honestly if you're still loving me. Looking into my eyes, honestly, words have more meaning if they said a certain times. I need you now so I can feel alive. How would you know if you won't give me some time to see if everything could work out? You'll be mine. Oh, I'll be lost forever for someday I'll make fine. The words that I've been searching for, it's just a piece of mind. Tell me honestly if you're still loving me. Looking into my eyes, honestly, won't tell me honestly if you're still loving me. Looking into my eyes, honestly. Oh, tonight I sit and wonder. There must be more to life than sugar. Praising you's gone by while I live. Living with a lonely feeling. Time will love you, always said I'll be there forever and a day. Always. Now you pictures that you left behind are just memories of a different life. Some that made us laugh, some that made us cry. One that made you have to say goodbye. What I give to on my fingers, to your hair, to touch your lips, to hold you near. When you say your prayers, I don't want to speak. I've made mistakes. I'm just a girl. When she holds you close, when she pulls you near, when she says the words you've been needing to hear. I wish I was her, 'cause this one's mine to say to you to the end of time. And I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there
was our pop rock
Medley.
Okay.
Ayan, at feel free to send us your request.
Yes, ayan.
As long as kaya namin siyang tugtugin.
Mukhang tapos na po tayong kumain. Ba, gusto niyo na pong sumayaw.
Meron na ba tayong tickets? Lahat?
Tayo wala pa, inay.
Wala.
Ay,
pa
oo
sa
nga pala.
atin.
Hindi, eh. Parang ano lang.
Ma'am, baka naman kasyali kami, ma'am.
Okay. Parang wala pang dumating na request. Kaya, sige.
Magbibigay muna tayo ng ibang
Samot-saring.
songs. Yan.
Congratulate ulit natin yung
Bagong, ang
yung
ating
graduates.
graduates. Yes. Ayan,
Yan.
si Jaren and Gian. Congratulations.
And of course, to Garan family. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And hello to Ma'am Roquel and Sir Gilbert, to Sir Luisito Cruz. And to Lorelai and Silver. Ma'am Sen, Elida.
Yes, it's on from right, lion. I know that she's waiting for me to say forever. I know that I sometimes just don't know how to tell her. I want to hold and kiss her, give her my love, make her believe she doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all that I need. Yeah. And I know that she's always there when I need her loving. I know that I never told her how much I love her. I see her face before me. I look in her eyes, wondering why. Oh, she doesn't know. She doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. Say that you'll be there whenever I reach out to feel your hand in mine. Stay within my heart. Whenever I'm alone, I know that you are there. Whoa, whoa, You're
Chain Melody. Okay. Special request.
Yes.
Ayan. At mamaya magsayawan po tayo.
Yes.
Palagi ko gusto nila yung
Mga
oo, nakikita ko yung mga
Mamas
guests natin.
natin,
Oo,
yes.
syempre. Alam na natin
Bouncy-bouncy
yung
naman.
gusto nilang sayawin. At syempre, magpasalamat naman tayo sa ating kasuotan ngayong gabi.
Yes,
So,
too.
Ma'am Eileen Ignacio, thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Ma'am
much,
Eileen.
Ma'am Eileen. Kumikinang-kinang.
At yung kasuotan natin kagabi, si Sir Luisito Cruz. At
Yes.
nung unang-una din si Sir Gilbert at saka si Ma'am
Yes,
Raquel.
Ma'am Raquel.
And
Thank you
also
so
to Ma'am
much
Jenny
po.
Laida.
And
To Lorelai Galvez, Silver. Yan.
Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home. Wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. Oh, lonely time. Time goes by so slowly, and baby, time can do so much. Are you still give it to me. To me.
Yes, ayan. Magsimpalakpakan naman.
Yes, and that was a
Special
song from
request.
The Righteous Brothers.
Okay. At meron din silang request na naman.
Ano ba yan?
Yung King and Queen of Hearts, pang Valentine's.
Oh.
Para sa-
Mukhang sasayawin ni Ma'am and Sir ulit.
Asan ba yung parents ni Anon, yung nag-graduate? Pwede po kayong sumayaw. Si Jaren at saka si
Gian.
Gian. Dapat sumayaw naman kayo dito sa kantang to. Ayan, you're the king and queen of hearts, ika nga. Pero
Talaga
i-try po
naman.
namin po yung
Yes.
king and queen.
Ayan, parinig naman po ng malakas
Malakas ang palakpakan. Ayan.
Mabubulol tuloy.
Mukhang nagbebelo pa silang sumayaw.
Yes.
O eto, Benamano natin sa
Ayan.
kantang King and Queen of Hearts.
At
sa-
malay natin, inay,
Siyempre.
madagdagan pa yan.
Basta ganito, ikarkarigatan tayo nga kantain. Basta ganyan yung proseso yung
Request.
Okay. Sino ko yung kumanta nito? Ayan. Here's a song from David Fomeran.
We're the king and queen of hearts. Hold me when the music starts. All my dreams come true
Come on!
when I dance with you.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin sila.
Be mine
How about Gian and
tonight.
Jaren? Gian and Jaren, where are you?
Yes, ayan, dapat kuwaran po kayo ng
Never
partner.
let you go. In a dream that we dance forever, in a wish that we made together, on a night that I prayed would never end. You know it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king, yeah, you're the queen of hearts. Time will pass and tears will fall, but someday we'll both recall moments made of this golden memories.
Yes, and once again, congratulations to the newly graduates. To Jaren and Gian.
Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I pray would never end? Now it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Now it's here at the coronation. I'm the king, you're the queen in a once a future dream where the dances never seems to stop. Oh, did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I pray would never end? You know it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love was here at the coronation. I'm the king, yeah, you're the queen of hearts.
Yes, ayan, palakpakan naman po natin yung mga sumayaw.
At dahil sa King and Queen of Hearts, nagbigay lang naman sila, ewan ko kung sino yung nagbigay ng
Yes. 500 pesos!
Thank you, Gang Family! Wow! Stand up, Pabela.
so much.
Mag-request ulit.
Yes, baka po may request po ulit yung nag-request ng Queen. Ano yun? King and
King
Queen.
and Queen of Hearts. In Tagalog, Leslie?
Reyna at Reyno.
Hari, ano ba?
Ay,
Habang
Iba
tumatagal,
pala.
palutang ka ng
Oo,
Hari at Reyna ba?
Lalo na tayo, habang tumatagal, lutang na lutang talaga. Kasi
Always lutang.
Oo, walang tulugan. Ayan.
At syempre, baka may mga request po kayo dito sa harap, ma'am, sir.
Ay, alam ko yung mga gustong sayawin ni Mami at saka ni Daddy. Oo. Yung mga Ilocano, palagay ko. Ay, ayan, sabi ni Mami, gusto... Alam mo, si Mami galante yan. Sige, pagbigyan natin ng Ilocano. Oo,
Ilocano.
dali-dali. Ilocano, si
Ayun,
Mami at saka si
pumapalakpak
Daddy.
na agad si Mami.
Ayan, pumapalakpak na si Mami, oh.
Ayan, at inuulit po namin, pwede po kayong mag-request.
Ayan, at siguradong mapapasayaw si Mami at saka si Daddy. At siguradong maglalabas sila kasi mabigat yung bag ni Mami kanina. Kitang-kita ko.
Yes. Ayan, tumawa si mami.
Oh, pinapatawa ko lang si Mami para mas masaya tayo. Okay.
Yes, at syempre, magsayaw na
Sige,
tayo!
dyan lang kayo. At maraming barangay. Sige, sayaw na. Yung mga guest natin, dyan. Pwede kang sumayaw dito.
Dahil mandya'y katutan sa bungkat, humay bayabay, mulong na kay sipagaysan, umanamete kay kumidaki.
at saka si
Ayan.
Mami talagang ang lakas-lakas pa nila. Alam mo, ang gwapo-gwapo talaga ni Daddy.
Yes.
Thank you, Daddy. Wow! Yes,
Baka
of
may
course.
request ka pa, Daddy. Ano pong pangalan ni Daddy?
Mami.
Sir, pangalan lang, sir.
Sir, mamaya.
Ayan.
Okay, at dahil sa kinanta nating Ilocano,
Balsi?
yan yung balse. Gustong-gusto ni Mami at saka ni Daddy. Nagbigay lang naman sila ng
1,000 pesos! Yeah! Thank you
Thank
so,
you so
much!
much. Ayan, maraming salamat. At naka-live po tayo ngayong gabi. Ayan, maraming nanonood sa atin from
Yes.
Hawaii, California, London, Hong Kong. Ayan yung mga group 1
one.
from UK. Ayan.
Yes,
Hello po.
hello.
Yung mga ano natin, fans daw, sabi nila
Fans
Yung
club.
Fans
diba?
club
Yes.
natin. At saka dun sa group 2 sa Hong Kong. Ayan.
Yes, at
Yes.
syempre, sa mga hindi pa po nakakalam, kami po ang The R&B and the Side Street Band all the way from
San Nicolas. Ayan.
At syempre, sa mga hindi po nakapunta na friends o kamag-anak po ninyo, ayan, meron po kaming Facebook page, R&B Band, new page, at syempre sa ating YouTube channel na R&B and the Side
At
Street Band.
Pakishare na Lin.
Yes.
Yung ating live ngayon. Ayan, yung mga taga-Canada, marami ding nanonood sa atin. Ayan, hello po. Magandang gabi. Lalong-lalo na po sa Hawaii. Yes. Okay. At parang sa balsen na tinugtog natin, parang ang
Ayan yung mga mamis natin
doon
dito.
sila napapasayaw. Okay.
Yes.
Yung mga nanay natin dyan, sumayaw naman kayo.
Sumayaw
Malay
naman
natin,
po
magbigay
tayo.
din sila yung mga Garan family ng
Yes.
blessings para sa ating ngayong
Adong pabitor da ako, no?
ngayong
Sala
gabi.
tayo, ano.
Okay, wag po kayong mahiya. Diyos ko, no agbabain kayo, awan itima pala. Kung nada
Yes.
nga
Awan
diba?
maganab.
O, diba? Awan maganab. Nga kung nada.
Baka daapo iti kayat yung asalain. Dita nga part.
Kino, sino tinalaing nga kumanta, mamaya.
Sumala,
Parinig ko
kumanta.
sa amin at malay mo, madiscover ka din namin. Okay.
Yes.
Sige. At eto na. Ilocano ulit? Okay. Sige.